I'm just gonna start the video. What's up, fams? Well, no. But what's up, fams? I don't know what we're gonna do today. First I have to go to school, but I don't know what Corey's gonna do. He's probably gonna go to word sport, tech sport, whatever sport. I don't know what he's doing. I'm starting the video off today. I'm going to school today, even though I don't want to. I don't like school. Let's just get that straight.
All right, G Squad, what's happening with y'all, baby? What happened?
I already started.
Oh, damn. All right, whatever. Y'all get what I'm doing there. Taking my little boy, my young boy, to school, man. About to go get him some honeys. She love honey bunnies.
I don't want to go to school.
Ain't they like them snow bunnies? You know what a snow bunny is?
No.
Okay, you'll learn that later on in life. I don't know if it's age appropriate right now. All right, y'all. I had a slap on now. It's okay, Chip. I had a slap on that new merch. Get that merch, man. I'm gonna put the link in the description. Make sure y'all go and buy this shirt from my guy, one of the G Squad subscribers who sent it to me. Ain't it fitting good? Look at that. Look at the Hell Keezy right there too. What that shirt say, E?
Believe you can achieve and you're halfway
Okay, there you go.
to the dream.
Believe you can achieve and you're halfway to your dream. Come on, man. Is that not what Tall Guy represents? That you can be great, that you can do anything you put your mind to, you put the work ethic behind it, man. You gotta have ambition, gotta have goals. I'm that guy, and he sent me that merch that represents it, man. So appreciate you, champ. Make sure if y'all wanna buy any of his shirts, man, which y'all should, because the shit feels good too, and it look good. You know, when you feel good, you know what's, you ever heard the saying, E? When you feel good, you play good, you look good. It just, everything else just comes together, baby. But when you feel good, it just kind of, it's like the clay, it just pieces everything up together. Go ahead and get to school, champ. I love you, man.
Can I stay here?
No, hell no. You gotta go to school, boy. Your mom be mad at me if I make you go to school. Love you, man. Have a good day in school, champ. Go ahead and get your merch, baby. And go get your merch from TallGuyCarvings.com too. Got to do that, baby. But you see the red stitching, black leather seats, man. Come on, man. Everybody relax. I'm actually dropping my truck off either today or tomorrow to get the seats redone, red leather with black stitching. So everybody stay tuned for that. Got a lot of errands that I'm running today, man. So everybody stay tuned, because I'm telling y'all right now, about to be some legendary shit throughout this video, baby. Y'all know how I get out. Also, I forgot to mention, you get an additional 15% off if you put Tall Guy 15 in that promotional code joint. You get that extra 15 additional % off, man. So go ahead and get your merch. The link is in the description below. Got the Hell Keezy on the shirt. Legendary shirt, champ. Thank you very much. Appreciate you. Real G Squad shit. So let me tell y'all what's about to happen right now, man. We got Mr. Organic. We outside his crib right now. About to have Mr. Organic hop up in the Ram Reezy. About to drop the Ram Reezy off to get the seats redone. Got so many other things happening today. Everybody just stay tuned and relax. And make sure you go cop the merch. Go cop my merch, Tall Guy Carvings, and make sure you cop 3 of them merch, organiclifestyle.com. Go ahead. Oh, my bad, brother. I embarrassed myself and you, brother. There you go. You in there, man. What's happening with you, brother?
Rolex. Had a Parker right there to flex on the
I see.
in the parking lot.
You want to just let the Corvette just marinate the greatness? What's up, fellas?
What's going on, man?
You can tell they watch the YouTube channel.
Yeah, because I got that Logan Paul backpack.
Yeah, they do?
Who is, yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, they definitely watched it too. Yeah, they definitely watched it too.
Yeah. Just blessing kids. You know what I mean? Some things y'all dudes would never do. No, sir.
About to get these red guts put up in here though, three.
Oh, man, I forgot you got these.
The black mooks.
Finago nukes.
Yeah, come on, man. Big factory ass. When you buy your Ram, you get the Laramie, you get the black leather.
Yeah, it's cool if it came like that. You just be like,
nah, I'm cool. I need the red guts.
Yeah, I didn't Google money for you, man.
You know I'm gonna get that Ram stitched into the headrest and all that too.
Everything's
I'm gonna get all that done, bro.
Ain't nothing not getting done.
Liner, the little side panels, door panels.
If you think everything not getting done,
I don't know what's wrong with you. This is about to be crazy.
You've been thinking your whole life.
Any plans for the event?
Oh, man, you know, just coming through sturdy, you know, giving out organic love, you know, gotta get some Corvette cruisings, you know what I'm saying? I'm definitely gonna give out, you know, some Corvette rides. We're gonna ride around, definitely gonna vlog that, piece it up with everybody, you know, talk to just to be around me is gonna be tight.
June 24th.
June 24th, so just to be me in person is gonna be more than anything you encounter in life, so shit, really, I mean,
yeah, I feel you.
Anything more than that is tight. OD heroin. You know what I'm saying? Go to jail. I don't want to get y'all the man.
Yeah, all right, bro.
I don't want
you don't want to be fake. You don't want to get that blue magic.
Come on, man.
Okay, all right, bro.
Free. I got
y'all think it's some regular, then you take it. Then you
be around me like, oh my God, that heart attack shit, goddamn it. You know what I'm saying? Y'all didn't understand.
You stupid, man. Well, there y'all go, man. June 24th, Stillwater free, man. Mr. Organic gonna be there. Mr. Organic gonna be doing his rapping. Gonna be handing out shit easy. Not for the free. You know what I'm saying? So go ahead, bring cash. Like I told y'all, everything cash. Make sure y'all bring money for the food trucks, for your family, for the merch, for everything. And I'm gonna be giving away raffles. We're gonna be doing raffles, free giveaways, all that, man. The GoPro setups for the people who want to do their own YouTube channel, all that good stuff, man. So make sure y'all there, man.
Take
June 24th.
Take heed of this opportunity, you know what I'm saying? Come and use us, man. Don't misuse us. Come and use us, though. Like, if you're trying to build your YouTube channel, why not? You know, come and collab. Yeah, we give you a full collab while you're here. You know what I'm saying? Give you a little wave. This dude with 300,000 subscribers, 4 million views. I'm 50,000, 60,000, whatever. Big blessing. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, 5, 6 million views. So use that to your advantage if you're really about your craft. Yeah, that's a fact. You know what I'm saying? Man, it don't make no sense not to. All the YouTubers who rock with us definitely should be there for sure. Yeah. If you're a real YouTuber and you're really trying to get that shout out and that extra boost to your platform and get a few more eyeballs on your platform, then you know you should definitely be there. And for the people who starting out, y'all should really be there 1,000,000%, man. So make sure, like I told y'all, bring cash, all that good stuff. Bring your family, get the merch, support the movement, man. Because we two real dudes, man, living in a real world with real bills, doing real things, and a lot of things these YouTubers ain't gonna tell y'all that shit, man. But we're gonna tell y'all, make sure you never skip the ads. I don't give a fuck how tired of. You get tired of hearing it. We're gonna tell you that, man, because this is what it is, man. This is life, baby. We go hard at this shit every day. For real. You know what I mean? Come on, man. Ain't no games being played, man. So make sure y'all support the movement, man. Big time. Motivate and inspire you guys.
100%, man. So without further ado. Okay, go ahead, brother. Go ahead.
No, that's all I had to drop.
Okay, I didn't know if you was going to give him some more legendary. Okay, I just, misread, brother.
It's all good,
misread, brother. My apologies. But we'll see you when we get to Stillwater Ferry, man. June 24th, be there. All right, man. We here, baby. Stillwater Ferry, June 24th, man. Make sure y'all here. Come fuck with my dog and me, Mr._gang with a K. Go subscribe to the channel, man. Got the white TAs and all that. This might be a good spot to put the Hellkeezy and Pegasus.
But don't forget Sunday we got.
Ooh, you're right. You're right. You might got the reveal of that. Everybody, see, that's why you got to just be here June 24th, because I'm telling you, there's going to be a lot of the shit that we ain't told y'all. It's going to be some impulsive shit that's going to be ultra legendary. It's going to be here, man. So make sure y'all here, man. Big pedestal for the whips. Everybody stay tuned and relax, man. Big legendary things coming y'all way, baby. Took the wrap off the Lambo. Now it ain't white no more, Dale. Now it's blue. Blue with yellow brake calipers. That didn't even look like a wrap. The wrap job was good on there, though. Yeah, white wrap job. Yeah, why you ain't keep it white?
Because it was peeling someplace.
Oh, it had some fail spots. I like the white better, but the blue is cool too. And it make the yellow brake calipers pop more with the blue. Yeah, it is type Golden State Warriors. That makes, yeah, you're right, brother. Pardon me, brother. I still like the white though, the white legendary though. So Dale, y'all got this for sale now. Y'all bought it, it's official, right?
Yeah, you bought it. It's for sale, but it'll go on the inventory in like 2 days. Okay,
there y'all go, man. Stillwater Ferry, ferrymotors.com, two-tone leather. Yeah, that joint is nice though. We gotta do a review on this though when they go with the PDIs and all that stuff. Yeah, that's gonna be a good touch right there, man. And I heard these a lot of fun too, man. They say when you play with them paddle shifters in this, it's big aggressive. So, you know, definitely gotta rock with that. Blow the mook off this joint for sure. ferrymotors.com, man. Go ahead and get your Lambo if you want to buy it from Dale. They got it all up here, man. And June 24th, make sure y'all here, baby. All right, man. So as you can see, just got about that motherfucking Aries thing. That's that's his old pickup truck, man. That motherfucking Aries boot.
Still looking good though.
It is. It's still got. That's my loaner whip right now while they getting the red interior put up in the Ram Breezy, man. You see that red thing over there, that white one? See how that thing sitting up? Yeah, that's how my joint gonna be looking like that, but more ferocious. Mine gonna be looking better though, cause you know I'm gonna have that color. I'm gonna have them seats. And I'm tall guy, man. Come on, man. Look at that. But look at the lift on it. Them 38s, brother. Look at them with the big lifts and all that. Come on, bro. That joint. Wait, look at the big real deal holy feel ass lift though. Come on, man. Look at the big ass meaty tires. Look at the side perspective too with the meat sticking out the bodies and all that. That's how my joint gonna be looking through, but way more ferocious than that.
Goddamn right.
Come on, man.
Legendary.com.
But we here to check on the lift and what we're gonna do. So everybody just stay tuned and we're gonna get back to you. So this is what I'm supposed to be getting right here. It's supposed to be something like this right here, brother. So it's supposed to be the Pro Comp, you know what I'm saying? With the lifted joint and this big 6.5 inches and all that. It's supposed to be something crazy now, brother. You know what I mean? Yeah, but I don't know if we're gonna incorporate some Fox. I need some Fox, because there's something about a pickup truck. When you see Fox on that thing with all this little setup, even though I don't know what it do, once you see that setup on that side perspective, there's something about it.
Get that comp thing and then put the Fox mooks in there.
I don't know, brother. It's somehow they piece it up together. But I've seen some things on the YouTube. I've been searching and looking. You know me. I've been on there night and day looking for stuff, man. So everybody stay tuned, because I'm telling y'all right now, man, it's about to be big pieced up and done up, man. It's about to be crazy. All right, John, go ahead and tell them which lift we getting for the Ram Breezy, man.
We're doing a Pro Comp 7.5-inch coilover.
Which one is it back there? Because I thought it was that one.
Yep. It's gonna be just like this.
Okay, now why are we going with this? You know, G Squad, they want to know, they got to know. Why are we going with that one?
Best ride quality, best overall control on the front end, Frankly, it just looks cool.
Okay, well there y'all go. We gonna get this one right here, man. You know what I mean? How much does that usually cost retail?
Retail, you'd be about 26.
26? Ooh, the one you got on yours is like 42, you said, for your whole setup, right?
Yeah.
And what's the difference between that setup and your setup?
Reservoirs, a little bit different actual coilover, different upper control arm, but mostly it's just the way the thing's built. So like mine.
You got the Fox joints.
No, I actually went with FabTech, but
okay.
It's similar to this Fox setup with an adjustable reservoir. Just helps for tuning, keeps the ride quality.
Keeps it smooth.
Just cool.
But we're not going with that one. We're going with that one right there. That's the one we got right there, right?
Coilover. Yep.
There y'all go. We'll go ahead and tell them, John. That's the one we got right there.
Yep, 7.5-inch coilover kit from Procom, man.
And how much of a lift that gonna give me? Maxed out?
With the tires and stuff, your truck will move about 8 to 9 inches from where it's at right now.
Okay, there y'all go, man. Well, y'all do the math, add it up, calculate it, divide it, multiply it, do all the stuff you gotta do, and that's how the Ram Breezy gonna be sitting, man. John, go ahead and give them your number up here, man, in case they want to get a hold of you.
4-wheel parts, book and park, 763-257-1273.
Now, don't get it fucked up. We don't want y'all hitting up the whole 4-wheel park. I mean, 4-wheel park, we fuck with all of them, but fuck with this location right here, Brooklyn Park. This one, holla at John. And what's your name again, champ? Justin, the man right there too. He fuck with my videos. You ain't skipping no ads, is you, Justin? Okay, just making sure. You got to get that cheese. But go ahead and give one more time in case I ain't hear you the first time, John.
763-257-1273.
All right, there y'all go, my man. Appreciate it, John. See you later, baby. Yeah, man, so everybody stay tuned, man, because I'm telling y'all right now, look at that joint right here, man, huh? That's John's truck right here, though. I'm about to get all this stuff put up under there. Look how he got all that joint set up. I don't know all this shit and what it do, but I'm learning just like I'm learning with the car game right now, man. Everybody stay tuned. I'm about to get a light bar. Man, listen here, man. Stuff about to get done up to the Ram Breezy, man. Everybody just stay tuned and relax. Listen here, man. I just told three. We all know, man. They get top of the move loaner with that the area still got that growl, that roar. You know what I mean? Who y'all know is getting loaner with top of the mook and all that, man. Big legendary shit happening and taking place. Better yet, who do you know that's like me and like three that came from where we came from, got the whips we got, that's doing business the way we doing business, got subscribers the way we rock with y'all, Gang Nation, G Squad, all that. Who y'all know? They don't exist.
Don't exist.
It's us. It's just
First
you and I.
Kind, original of originals.
Come on, man. Big blessings in life, man. Can't complain about shit in life.
No.
Big legendary things happening, man, for the Ram Breezy. And just not for our whips either, just for us in life, man. We got so many things popping. He going down there in this big ass semi flying down here, ain't he? Yeah, he went nuts.
What is he on?
Yeah, I don't, man, a lot. You know what I mean? Big dope, you know what I mean?
Yeah, big.
But,
Adderall.
Yeah, big, the most, you know what I'm saying? But we got a lot of things happening, man. Everybody just stay tuned throughout all the videos. And please make sure while you're watching all the videos, don't skip no ads. Greatly appreciate it, because y'all want to keep getting this legendary content, man. You got to feed the beast. It's like driving a car around. You can drive it all around the country. It's going to do everything you want, but you got to stop and get gas, man.
Mandatory.
Come on.
Ads is gas. Those ads are gas.
Feed
the beast, baby.
You know what I mean? Big feed the beast, man. So make sure y'all ain't skipping no ass. Greatly appreciate it, man. But nothing really else to talk about, man. This video's over. Everybody stay tuned, because the lift is coming. Everything's coming. I don't know if I did I emphasize that enough, brother?
Say it one more time.
Everything is coming for the Ram Breezy. Red leather seats, everything. Y'all seen it, dropped it off in the Ram Rebel. Stay tuned. And this got red too, if y'all ain't know.
Damn right.
You know what I'm saying? So everybody just stay tuned, man, because I'm telling y'all right now, shit about to be crazy, man. Out of here. See y'all in the next video, baby. They don't really understand, huh?
Nope.